If you want to know how to run split tests with your affiliate landing pages, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to do it and get more conversions by testing variations of your landing pages effectively. I've tried all the most popular software for this task, and I'll also share an exclusive free trial to the software I personally recommend for testing your pages in the description below, so you can follow along and start optimizing right away. Running split tests is essential for improving your affiliate landing pages. It's about finding out what version of your page works best to drive more conversions. Whether you're testing headlines, buttons, or even images, split testing gives you the data you need to make informed decisions that actually move the needle. So how do we run split tests with affiliate landing pages? The first step is to set up a test. You'll want to create at least two versions of the landing page you're testing. One is your control page, the original, and the other is your variation, where you change one element, like a button color or headline. Next, choose the software that will host and run the test for you. There are a lot of tools out there, but this software is what I'll be using in this video, and it offers a lot of features for affiliate marketers. I'll talk more about how you can access an exclusive free trial in the description. Once you have your software, it's time to set up your test. Most tools make it easy. You simply upload both versions of your landing page and then define the split percentage, which determines how much of your traffic sees the control page versus the variation. A good rule of thumb is to aim for a 50-50 split, so both pages get an equal amount of traffic, but some software allows you to tweak this. Now comes the most important part: defining what you'll measure. This could be conversion rate, click-through rate, or even the time spent on your page. You want to focus on a single metric that aligns with your goals. In this case, conversions are key for affiliate marketing. Once you have that set up, you'll start gathering data. You'll need to run the test long enough to gather meaningful data, which typically takes a few days to a week, depending on your traffic. If your traffic is low, you might need to run the test longer to get statistically significant results. As the test runs, be patient. After collecting enough data, it's time to analyze. Your software will tell you which page version performed better. The version that outperforms the other, in terms of the key metric you're tracking, is the winner. Once you've determined the winner, you can make your final decision about which page to use. From there, you can start testing new variations and continually optimizing your landing page. One quick tip: don't test too many things at once. Stick to testing one element at a time, like the headline or call to action, so you can attribute any changes to that single element. This will give you the clearest picture of what works and what doesn't. So the key takeaway from this video is: running split tests with your affiliate landing pages is a simple but powerful way to optimize your conversions. Remember to test one element at a time, use a 50-50 split, and focus on measuring what matters to your goals. And don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial for the software I recommend in the description below, so you can start testing your pages right now. Thanks for watching, and happy testing.